Hello everyone, welcome back to my stock analysis space where I'm going to be analyzing the current trend in the stock market, especially as it relates to the bearish activity that is happening in the financial market right now. And a lot of persons have been asking me what is the secret behind this bearish happening in the market. And I've taken my time to explain to a lot of persons that that is one of the market forces. It could be political, it could be crisis, it could be the market itself, it could be media. But right now, what is actually dragging the market is the U.S. tariff trend of Trump. So it is actually affecting the market so heavily, and for us who are value investors, you target most of these blue chip stocks and buy them at a very cheaper rate, especially below their intrinsic value. So let me dive into the system and then try and do some analysis on most of these stocks that are trading currently below their intrinsic value. When you hear below intrinsic value, it means that this company is rated, for instance, rated $100, but at the moment is trading at $40 because of the circumstances around it. And one of them is Lockheed Martin Corporation. Is a very big company that I respect so much. I love this particular company, and I want to focus more on their valuation. Yes, the valuation of this particular stock sitting at $111.5 billion market cap. That is huge. It tells you that this particular company controls the aerospace and defense company. Yes, the aerospace, a lot of space gadgets, space stuff that are used to protect different regions. So now let me go ahead to the valuation of this company to know if this company is actually trading above or below the intrinsic value. And it shows right here that it is 32.7% undervalued. This company is supposed to be at $703, but right now it's trading at $473, meaning it's below the intrinsic value. And what does that tell you as a value investor? And once you buy this particular stock at this moment, you are taking that Warren Buffett method of investment by buying a company at a very cheaper rate. It happens generally. Yeah, it happens generally. Some persons will always know that a particular product is, for instance, a 5 naira, and because of one or two circumstances is not trading below. So the word that we normally use around our environment, at all, this company is supposed to be $703, but right now is below. So what does it tell you as an investor is for you to go ahead and get this stock into your portfolio. And then let me check one or two more stock right here. I have AG&C. I have AG&C, this real estate company, real estate funding company in United States. They fund housing scheme in different cities in United States. And right now, this company is trading 42% below their intrinsic value. That is, it is undervalued. This company is trading at $10.38, and it's supposed to be $18.01. And so for me, I've actually added it to my top 9 stocks to buy for 2025. And so you too can buy this stock. It's cheap, but I know it's going to make you more fortune. So these are things that you must check before you buy into any of these stocks. So within the period, we are going to be analyzing many of these stocks that right now they are bearish, and it gives us the opportunity to take the market head on. And I have one other method that I also use to analyze stock, that is the fear and greed index. Fear and greed index. And right now, many of these investors, the extreme fear is already high. A lot of persons are scared of the market. But I tell you, for those of us who know what the market is, because they are all real companies, this is the right time that we enter the market, because after now, the fear will reduce, become neutral, become greed, extreme greed and all that. So we are coming there right away. So if you really want to make sure that you get one or two into your portfolio, go ahead and get any of these stock to your portfolio. I'm pinning down Lockheed Martin Corporation. I'm also pinning down AG&C investment. Lest I forget, AG&C investment stock is also a monthly dividend paying stock. Yes, let me check the dividend. And know what they pay on monthly basis and when is their next dividend payout. AG&C is a dividend paying company with a current yield of 13.87%. Next payment day is on the 11th, that is tomorrow. Today is just 10th. Tomorrow, 11 March, they are going to be paying their investors dividends. Yeah, that is awesome. And so this 13 means that year over year they pay this 13% to all their investors. And so you break it down and know what it's going to give you, and then yes, this next paying one is going to be upcoming dividend of 0.12 per share. And this stock is cheap, so I love it because it gives me that access to make money on monthly basis. So whatever I have in my bank account, I pull it into this investment. Every month I get dividends. Every month I get paid. It's just like I'm being on salary, but then it's just my money. Yes, so you are not just buying because of the dividend. Of course, they pay much, but you're also buying because this particular stock is a growing company. So go ahead and make sure you get this stock. And it's also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I believe the only opportunity that you have right now to always get this kind of analysis every blessed day that I drop my videos is to click on the subscribe button and then subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that anytime I drop, you'll be the first to also take this opportunity, watch the video, know what the market is saying, and take the opportunity as early as possible. See you in my next video.